All right, we got our Starlink in today. Let's see if we can make this work. I don't have my regular Starlink. It's supposed to be the mini. So let's see what it's like. Wow, they sealed that up good. That's not just okay, let's see what we got here. Beep, beep, beep. Supposed to just pull it, but of course, wants to give you a hard time. So, let's try the good old way. They got plenty of glue. There's one side. Let's try this side. It's got the little pull tab, but of course, nothing seems to work. So this, garbage. Huh. Well, so much for the easy pull tab. That plus, when you get 66, you'll go through the same stuff we're going through. But just a quick look. I don't know if that's actually the mini, but that's what they're calling it. So here's the satellite. There's the back. It's got what they call a kickstand. We'll have to see about getting a different mount. I ordered the mini. They do say they can ship you something else, and this is definitely something else. Wow, they actually upgraded it because the mini's got a router built in. This is a separate router that come with it. The cables, more cables, and maybe that's the power brick. It is. That's the power thing, which is pretty heavy. So tomorrow we're going to put it all together, test it out, see how good it works, and the instructions with the QR code right there to make it easy. So, if that's a mini, I hate to see the regular size. So, let's get it all together. I'm not going to do a step-by-step on it. You can find that plenty on YouTube. I just want to put it together, line it up, point it at the skies, and the magic happen in my television work and my internet work. So let's try it out. This was their latest offer. It's $50 a month. And like I said, it's supposed to be the mini, but $50 a month and unlimited data with 100 megabytes or whatever they call it MPS, whatever, the speed part to it. But it's unlimited data. We bought this because a couple of good things about it. You can put it on pause. If you're not using it, $5 a month pauses it. And then we really wanted it for the Alabama property. So in other words, we could take it up there, set it up, get it working. If we're there for a month, pay $50. We don't come back for 2 months. We just pause it and pay $5 a month. When we come back, activate it again, pay the $50 a month. So that's the advantage of this. We've got the T-Mobile home service now. We've been able to take that back and forth with us, and it works. But yeah, T-Mobile is a totally different story. Everybody talks about the Starlink, how good it is, how it works. And having the motor home, this will actually be a lot better in it because it will work anywhere we go. We don't have the roam service, but from the way I'm understanding it, is it's hooked to this address in Florida, Umatilla, Florida, the big city. Then when we get to Alabama, we can just reactivate it for up there. You put in their address there, hit a button on the app, it will find it. They say sometimes it'll take an hour to get it located and working right, then you use it there. If we wanted to bring it back to Florida or anywhere else, you just take it with you. When you get to that address, you reactivate it for that address. Don't charge you nothing to reactivate it for a different address. Within an hour, boom, you got satellite again. So that's the good thing about it. It's actually should be pretty handy. So let's try it out. Let us get it hooked up. Tomorrow I'll do another video, show you what it's about. If you want any information, put a comment down in the YouTube channel. I'll try to answer them. I will answer them. I won't try, I will. I can explain everything better to you on that. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Do you have this? Tell us about it. Tell me what we need to know. Tell us about the different mounts to it. But give us your thought of it, how you like it. And then I can answer all the questions, and you're going to help me. You're going to really help me. The more comments you leave, the more it helps me. And I've got, if I can get her over here, I've got Miss Deborah gonna make a quick appearance and ask her any questions. She's good with questions.
And answers.
Well, yeah, okay. She's good with the answers too. Yeah, just not the GPS directions.
No, I don't listen to it. They doesn't know where it's going.
But ask her. Let's get something going here. Tell us about it.
Yeah, we're excited.
Yeah, I want to know how it works for you, how good it is, what to watch. Would you buy it again? And I'll tell you our story. One thing that's good about it, with the winter everybody's had, it does have a defroster on it. Any snow gets on it. So we've got a couple poles on our property up there. We've got one 16-foot, or two of them 16-foot high, that we've got cameras on, a street light on. If that works out, we'll put this. I'm not against putting up a 16-foot pole for this and just mount it separate, just because we've got the room up there. We've got 6.31 acres. I want to have good internet there. That's very important. Not that we use it for everything. We use it just to stay in touch, so for that. But I like it up in the air like that, no distractions, 16-foot high. So tell us what mount you would wear.
When it heats?
Yeah, do you want to tell them again?
No, I didn't hear that part.
It has a snow melt on it. It will melt the snow.
Oh, okay.
You're not going to heat up the chicken on it or the waffles, okay? Chicken and waffles would be good. But no, it ain't gonna happen on my Starlink.
It's called a snow melt.
Okay.
Okay.
So thank you for following our Truly Blessed Life on YouTube. Leave a comment. I want to hear it. I want to know. Help me out on this. Help me, installation tips, polls, anything you got. All right, thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow.